Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use VLOOKUP in Excel. Okay, so if you are using Microsoft Excel and you want to learn how to use VLOOKUP, so this video will show you how to do it. Here you will see I have created a column. Okay, this sales person. Okay, this is designation and this is area, sales value and rank. Okay, so now by using VLOOKUP I want to find out rank of these salespersons here. Okay, so by using VLOOKUP you can find out without seeing one by one. Okay, so the normal method is I will go to here and then this is the name, this is the rank, and I can just manually just paste it, but this is a very long process, so I want to use a formula by which I can do this easily. So the formula is VLOOKUP. Okay, so you have to just click on equals to, then type VLOOKUP. Okay, so this is the formula. Then what you have to do here, you will see lookup value. Okay, so on which basis you want to look up. So I want to look up then on the name basis. Okay, so you have to just click on it, then comma, then here you will see it will ask for table array. Table array means from where you want to find out the data. Okay, so I want to find out the data from this table. Okay, so select this table, then here you have to lock this because the table is same for the all the names, so you have to lock this. So I'm going to lock this cell. For locking cell you have to just press function key, then F4. Okay, then you have to comma, enter comma. Here you will see it will ask for call index number. Okay, so for call index number, so you have to find out, so this is I want to find out rank. Okay, so I have to count 1 2 3 4 5, and so this is fifth number column, so you have to enter here 5. Okay, then again you have to just comma, then here you will see range lookup. Range lookup means here you will see true, approximate match, and false exact match. So I want to exact match, just click on it, then you have to just close the bracket and enter. So now this is Jack Marin has a 11th rank. Okay, now you have to just drag down. So now I will cross check again. Here you will see on the Jack Marin, here you will see the rank is 11 and I want Sarma. Okay, so just cross check, here you will see it is 8. Okay, so like this you can use VLOOKUP in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.